Wash and Go Dark and Lovely All Natural Line, MsSassyPat. Items used. On freshly washed hair, I use the Clumping Curl Clay Cleanser. Now I'm using the Curl Defining Cream Glaze, which smells amazing. So I'm just going to section my hair in smaller sections. Using my DIY oil that I made with olive oil, coconut oil if you can use that. I cooked it on a low temperature and I put some rosemary in there as well and essential oils. So now I'm applying the product in my hair. I'm using some water. My water bottle I purchased at Sally's. So I'm just putting the product through my hair. This is how I do my wash and go. Normally I wash my hair in the morning, but for this video I washed it at night. So now I'm using the Clumping Curl Cream Gel in my hair. You could actually mix these together. I just did them separately for the video. So I'm just really working the product through my hair. So I'll fast forward for a moment. And this is the final look. My curls are super defined. I did use a lot of products, but it will dry. My hair does take a few hours to dry. This is the view from the back. So super defined. I love it. What do you think? So I'm going to come back in about an hour. 1 hour later. My hair is still wet, but for the sake of this video, I just wanted to show you what the products look like when it was 1 hour dry. It's still a lot of product in my hair, but once it dries, it won't be as white. I think it's super cute, super defined. I love big hair, so I'm gonna part my hair on the side. So this is how I wear my wash and goes. I just love it. As it gets older, the hair will get bigger, and it's just so super cute. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and turn on your notifications. Are we friends yet? Follow me at MsSassyPat. My channel is to inspire natural hair, beauty, and style. MsSassyPat.